Beyond spinach, the top 5 vegetables to rebuild leg strength and prevent falls after 60. For many of us, spinach is the go-to superfood touted for its muscle-building properties. But what if I told you there are hidden gems in the produce aisle that can do even more for your legs as we age? These potent antioxidants do more than just fight general inflammation. Beet greens are one of the richest natural sources of nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule relaxes and widens blood vessels, flooding tired leg muscles with oxygen and essential nutrients. But what makes this vegetable so special for seniors? According to a 2014 CDC report, watercress is the single most nutrient-dense food on the planet, earning a perfect score of 100. For seniors, its benefits are unparalleled. Now that you know the top 5, let me show you how to combine them into a powerhouse meal that can make a real difference. Steam. Gently steam a handful of Romanesco broccoli and beet greens for 3 to 5 minutes until tender. Shred. In a large bowl, add half a cup of shredded raw red cabbage. Blanch. Briefly dip a small bunch of mustard greens in hot water for 10 to 15 seconds to soften them, then add to the bowl. Toss. Add a generous handful of fresh, raw watercress. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Boost. For added protein, top with a boiled egg, canned salmon, or a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. Eating this meal 2 to 3 times per week provides a concentrated dose of the specific nutrients your legs need to rebuild strength, reduce stiffness, and improve stability. Remember, it's never too late to prioritize your health. By focusing on these 5 vegetables, you can take a proactive, science-backed approach to maintaining your strength, mobility, and independence for years to come. And if you want to learn more about incorporating these vegetables into your daily diet, check out this playlist of videos. Thank you for watching. One of the key advantages of watercress, its high concentration of PEITC, or phenylethyl isothiocyanate. This phytochemical has been shown to boost mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning it can help our bodies create new mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, responsible for generating energy. As we age, our mitochondrial function declines, leading to decreased energy and increased muscle fatigue. By boosting mitochondrial numbers, watercress helps maintain energy levels and muscle strength. But that's not all. Watercress is also loaded with nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in vasodilation, meaning it can widen our blood vessels. This improved circulation ensures that vital nutrients and oxygen reach our muscles more efficiently, enhancing overall performance and recovery. Additionally, watercress is perfectly balanced with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, making it a heart-protective choice that supports healthy blood flow. This is a game changer for seniors dealing with poor circulation, leg swelling, or cold feet. Best preparation. Watercress is best eaten raw to preserve its delicate compounds. Use it as the base for a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or add it at the very end of cooking to a soup or stir-fry. The answer lies in its exceptional concentration of sulforaphane, a compound that activates the NRF2 pathway, a master switch for cellular defense and regeneration. This activation leads to the production of antioxidant enzymes that neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress and damage. But the benefits don't stop there. Sulforaphane in Romanesco broccoli also stimulates autophagy, a process where cells break down and recycle damaged proteins. This is crucial for non-inflammatory muscle recovery and overall cellular health, counteracting the age-related decline in autophagy. This vegetable is rich in MSM, methylsulfonylurethan, a form of sulfur that keeps tendons and cartilage flexible. It also contains boron, a trace mineral that has been shown to increase active vitamin D levels by up to 39%, while also improving magnesium absorption. Both are vital for muscle strength and preventing cramps. Best preparation. Steam it lightly until tender crisp to preserve the sulforaphane. Boiling will destroy its most beneficial compounds. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice to enhance nutrient absorption. A 2019 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that adults over 65 who consumed 2 cups of beet greens daily increased their quadriceps power by 18% in just 10 days, thanks to improved muscle oxygenation. But nitrates aren't the only thing these leafy greens have going for them. Beet greens contain an ideal 1:1 ratio of magnesium to relax muscle fibers and prevent cramps and calcium to trigger strong contractions. They are also packed with betaine, an anti-inflammatory pigment, and manganese, crucial for tendon repair and collagen formation. Best preparation: lightly steam beet tops with garlic and a squeeze of lemon. The heat helps release the nitrates, while the vitamin C in the lemon juice triples the absorption of iron, fueling red blood cells and combating fatigue. They directly protect muscle fibers from the oxidative decay that accelerates with age. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with low levels of folate, potassium, and vitamin E had almost 40% slower muscle reflex times and a higher fall risk. These are nutrients found abundantly in mustard greens. But how exactly do these nutrients benefit muscles? Well, they play a crucial role in the communication pathways between nerves and muscles, ensuring signals are sent and received accurately. Without sufficient levels of these nutrients, our reflexes slow down, increasing the risk of stumbling or losing balance, especially when recovering from a slip. But that's not all. Mustard greens contain glucosinolates that convert to isothiocyanates, compounds that switch off the NF-κB gene pathway responsible for chronic inflammation in aging muscles. Additionally, their potassium content helps restore the sodium-potassium balance within muscle cells, reducing fatigue and ensuring smooth contractions. Best preparation: to reduce bitterness, steam them lightly. They can also be blended raw into a smoothie with fruit like a banana to balance the peppery taste. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that older adults consuming just half a cup of red cabbage daily had 23% lower levels of C-reactive protein, a major biomarker for frailty. But why does inflammation matter so much? Well, after 60, our mitochondria, the power plants in your muscle cells, begin to falter. They become less efficient and start producing damaging free radicals. Anthocyanins help combat this by lowering inflammation markers, ensuring your mitochondria continue to produce energy effectively without causing harm. But that's not all. Red cabbage is also rich in sulfur-containing compounds that boost glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. This is crucial for detoxifying muscle tissue and speeding up recovery from daily activities. To reap the benefits, aim to include half a cup of raw or lightly steamed red cabbage in your daily diet. Best preparation: to preserve its muscle-healing compounds, glucosinolates, avoid overcooking. The best way to consume red cabbage is shredded raw in salads and coleslaws or lightly steamed for no more than 5 minutes. For optimal digestion and nutrient absorption, it's best eaten with lunch when stomach acid is at its strongest. Age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is a silent epidemic. It often begins subtly. Thighs feel weaker, stairs seem steeper, and rising from a chair requires more effort. But the reality is stark. After age 60, muscle strength can plummet by as much as 50%, dramatically increasing the risk of dangerous falls. And did you know that a staggering 1 out of every 4 adults over 65 experiences a fall each year? That's a fall every 4 days. This alarming statistic highlights a critical issue that affects countless families and healthcare systems worldwide. As our population ages, the consequences of sarcopenia extend beyond mere physical weakness. They can lead to fractures, hospitalizations, and diminished independence, forcing loved ones to navigate complex medical care. True muscle regeneration in older adults requires targeting 3 key areas: chronic inflammation, mitochondrial energy production, and cellular repair. Based on peer-reviewed studies and human trials, here are the 5 most powerful, yet often overlooked, vegetables that directly support leg muscle restoration in seniors, ranked from 5 to 1. Let's dive in. 5. Red cabbage. Hidden in plain sight, red cabbage is a powerhouse of anthocyanins. 4. Beet tops, the circulation booster. Most people discard beet greens, unaware they are throwing away one of the most effective muscle-building vegetables available. 3. Mustard greens, the nerve and muscle communicator. Often ignored in the produce aisle, these peppery greens contain a rare combination of nutrients vital for reversing age-related weakness. 2. Romanesco broccoli, the cellular repair specialist. With its unique fractal-like appearance, Romanesco broccoli is a nutritional masterpiece for aging muscles. 1. Watercress, the ultimate mitochondrial rejuvenator. The ultimate muscle-restoring meal under 10 minutes.